Hey guys, this is Nurse Adrienne here. So I want to talk about this creator who's just spreading lies. And basically my hypothesis on this creator is, I think, Psych NP, kind of scary because this person has reiterated repeatedly lies, right? Which we know are part of the union busting tactics. Watch my videos. I have a whole series on it, and I'm happily do more videos to get the message across. This person's a union buster. And I'm going to bet they are on the payroll, because what would be better than being on a platform where there's more nurses than any other social media platform? And if you don't think that those of us who are creators and who are influential don't get contacted by organizations and companies to do the subliminal messaging, yeah, this person's a union buster. They care nothing about their profession. They care nothing about their patients. They care nothing about nurses. They care nothing about you. And I guarantee you they are on the payroll of somebody who is a union buster. They are about themselves and care nothing. So remember, union busting is a practice that is undertaken by an employer or their agents to prevent employees from joining a labor union or to disempower, right? Let's just pretend South African law applies here to the United States. Are you crazy? And just repeatedly affirm, yes, this is American law. This applies here. How the fuck does South African law impact workers here in the United States? I'm dying to hear this. I am dying to hear this. What controls and rules workplace workers for the most part in the United States is the National Labor Relations Act, which is enforced by the National Labor Relations Board. See, it's real easy to remember. 3 of the letters are actually repeated. So the only thing you have to remember is whether it's an A or a B, whether it's the act or the board. So it's really just 4 letters. So I don't know what kind of school you went to or what your education is, but clearly there's a problem here. So you're either overtly lying, you're crazy, or you're completely ignorant and faked your way through a nurse practitioner program. I don't know what it is, but I'm going to just go on a limb and say you're a union buster, right? Lawyers and labor management consultant firms get paid to help employers keep workers from exercising their right to form a union and behave and act as a union under the applicable laws, right? So for hospital workers, that's the NLRA. For the most part, unless you're in a public entity, public hospital, it could be different. It probably is going to be ruled by state laws to some degree, but you still have your rights. So don't believe these bullshit nurse creators who spread lies. Nurse Nander called her out. Nurse Erica called her out. And I'm going to call you out too, because you know what? You're a union buster and you're scum and you're just a scab. You've crossed 9 picket lines, and we don't have any room for scabs in our profession. We have to uphold our profession.